Okay, question number 1. Solve the system by the substitution method. We have x minus 2y is equal negative 2, and y is equal negative 2x plus 6. Method of substitution, that means we need to find the variable from one equation and then plug into another equation. Now here we have from this one, we already have y is equal negative 2x plus 6. So I'm going to take it and plug the value of y in here, in this one, okay? Which is going to be equal x minus twice negative 2x plus 6. And that is going to be equal negative 2. Okay, let's open parentheses. X plus 4x, because I am multiplying negative 2 times negative 2. Next, negative 2 times 6. It's going to be minus 12 is equal negative 2. Combining like terms, negative 4x and 1x. It's going to be 5x minus 12 is equal negative 2. 5x is equal, it's moving over, it's going to be positive 12, and minus 2 going to be positive 10, and x is equal 2. Okay, once we have x is equal 2, I can plug back to y is equal negative 2x plus 6, or you can plug to the first one, it doesn't matter. And I'm plugging x is equal 2, where y is equal negative 2 times 2 plus 6. So y is equal negative 4 plus 6 is 2. So the solution to this the system of equation is going to be 2 and 2. Okay? Two and 2. Okay, moving to question number 2. Next one, solving with method of substitution. X is equal 9y plus 4 and x is equal 5y plus 8. Okay, method of substitution. What is interesting, both of them are equal to x, right here. X is equal, x is equal. Does that mean that I can say that I can put 9y plus 4 is equal 5y plus 8, right? Okay, that's exactly what I will do. And we will have 9y plus 4 is equal 5y plus 8. Okay, 9y, this is y, guys, minus 5y is equal 8 minus 4. So from here, 4y is equal 4, y is equal 1. Okay, now let's find x. Now I can plug in the first one. Okay, let's plug this time in the first one. X is equal 9 times 1 plus 4. So x is equal 13. So first, always we place the value of x, 13. Second comes y. That's how you know, by position. Because first always goes x, second goes y. Question number 3. Again, method of substitution. 4x plus 5y is equal 0. X minus 3y is equal 0. Okay, method of substitution. Since this x is single without any coefficient, I would prefer to find x from here. Therefore, x from here is equal 3y. Because I move 3y on this side, it's going to be positive, right? Now let's, 3y. Yeah. Now let's plug the value of x in the first one. So 4 times 3y plus 5y is equal 0. 12y plus 5y is equal 0. From here 17y is equal 0 and y is equal 0. Now let's find x. X we have equal 3y. So let's plug in there. X is equal 3y. From here, x is equal 3 times 0, which is equal 0. So from here, x value of x is 0, y is 0, and this is going to be our answer. Next one. Problem number 4. 3x plus 4y is equal negative 11, and 5x minus y is equal 43. All right, so with method of substitution, I'm going to have, first I'm going to find out this y, because it doesn't have any coefficient. It's always easy. So what am I going to do? I'm going to move this y on this side will be positive, and 43 move on this side, so it will be negative. Okay, so we will have 5x minus 43 is equal y. Okay, let's plug the value of y in the first equation. So that is going to be, let me move this here so it will be clear. We find from here. So 3 times x, 3 times x plus 4 times 5x minus 43 is equal negative 11. So 3x plus 20, x minus 172 is equal negative 11. From here, 3x, 23x, combining like terms right away, is equal 172 bring on this side, 172 minus 11. 23x is equal 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 minus 1 is 6, and here we get 161. Okay, so from here, what we're gonna do, 161 divided by 23. And x is gonna be equal 7. Now let's find y. Y we know is equal 5x minus 43. Here it is. So from here, y is equal 5 times 7 minus 43. Y is equal 35 minus 43 is equal negative 8, which means the solution is going to be x is 7 and y is negative 8. Question number 5. We have 4x minus 6y is equal 5y. Is equal 42 minus 4x. Okay, 9x plus 8y is equal x plus 7y plus 78. Okay, we have to use method of substitution. So before we solve here anything, we need to clean here, right? We have so many like terms we need to combine and simplify. So first one, 4x, I'm moving the other 4x, negative 4x here, will be positive 4x. Minus 5y is equal 42. Now here also 9x minus x, this x moving here, plus 8y minus 7y, this 7y moving here will be negative. So this is equal 78. Okay, now let's combine like terms, 4x, 4x, 9x, x, 8y, 7, negative 7y. So we are getting 8x minus 5y is equal 42. 8x plus y is equal 78. There we go. So from here we find y from the second one. Y will be equal 78 minus 8x. So this 8x moved here, became negative. All right, we have y plugging to first equation. It's just happening that I picked the variable from second equation because it's always happening in the second equation. I have variable without coefficient. Therefore, we get 8x minus 5 times y, which is going to be 78 minus 8x, and that is equal 42, and 8x minus 5 times 8 is 40, 4 in mind, 5 times 7, 35, and 4, 39, 390, and plus 40, x is equal 42. All right, so from here we get 48x equal positive 390 plus 42. 48x is equal 0 plus 2 is 2, 9 plus 4 is 13, 1 in mind, 3, and 432. Okay? And the x is going to be equal 9. Okay, so now let's find y. Y is equal 78 minus 8x. Here it is, I'm taking from here. So y is equal 78 minus 8 times 9, which means y is equal 78 minus 72, which is equal 6. And we have x is 9, y is 6. All right, question number 6. Now we are going to have method of substitution with using fractions. We are going to deal with fractions. So, question number 6. Y is equal 4 over 5x plus 4 over 5 1/2 x plus 2. Since both of them are equal y, right, I can write down 4 over 5x plus 4 over 5 is equal 1/2 x plus 2, because both of them are equal y. So from here, I need to bring to common denominator. What I have in denominator? 5 and 2. So common denominator is going to be what? 10, right? So which means 5 I have to multiply by 2. Here obviously also multiply by 2. 5 multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Here 2 multiply by 5. And here is 1, so multiply by 10. Okay, let's see. Here we have 10, 10, 10, 10, which means we are dropping out a window denominator. I would like to use thin one. This is thinner. There we go, so you can see. So what do we have here left? 2 times 4x is going to be 8x plus 8 is equal 5x plus 20. So 8x minus 8. So we get 3x is equal 12, x is equal 4. Let's find y. Y is equal, I'm plugging into second one, which is easier to work with, this one. So y is equal 1/2 x plus 2. Which means y is equal, x is 4, so 4 over 2 plus 2. Y is equal, 4 over 2 is 2 plus 2, and is equal 4. So x is equal 4, y is equal 4. Okay. This is all for method of substitution. In the next video, I will record method of addition. Thank you for watching.